Good morning, and today I shall review the Airfix Avro Lancaster Special Dambusters. This is the 80th anniversary of Operation Chastise, which was in 17th of May 1943. So here is the Airfix Lancaster kit. As you can see, there's a lovely set of decals, the instructions, the details of how the cockpit with the pilot, part of the fuselage, more details of the cockpit, build up of the cockpit, the spars, the build up of the two side engines here, the wing build up, the tail build up, more of the engines being fitted onto the main wing, first two, and then there's the other two, making it 4 for the Lancasters. More interior details. This is all your undercarriage, all the Bombay details, the tail, the turrets with the guns, your propellers, and of course your accessories where your bomb trolleys are. And there are two versions of the markings, one for the Flight Lieutenant Joseph Charles McCarthy from Royal Canadian Air Force and Flight Lieutenant Robert Norman George Barlow from the Royal Australian Air Force. So as you can see, the clear canopies. This is your trolley with the bomb. That's your wing and part of the fuselage. The other half. And these are all the engine cowlings. So there we are, and watch me as I shall build it over the next few weeks. Thank you.